Hi there, Wade the Shoe Dog from Shoemakers Academy. So I get asked this question all the time, like, how could you call yourself the shoe dog? Well, I'm not the shoe dog. I am a shoe dog. Now, of course, Phil Knight, he's probably the top shoe dog or the alpha shoe dog, or for sure he's the most successful shoe dog. I'm not sure he was the first shoe dog because people have been, traveling around the world making shoes for, I don't know, about 5,000 years. So, again, definitely Phil is an amazingly talented and super successful and driven shoe dog. After watching the movie, I think he's probably the only shoe dog that goes running in purple spandex because the shoe dogs I know are pretty grizzled old characters. And, basically, okay, what the dictionary definition of a shoe dog is any veteran that makes or sells shoes, right? So, you know, you don't become a shoe dog overnight. It takes a while. In fact, I can't even tell you when. Maybe it was when the people I was working with were like 10 years younger than me. Or is it the 50th trip you take overseas to make shoes? Or is it being too drunk or too tired or what? Or having seen it all before? But, being a shoe dog is, you know, I don't know if it's a lifelong ambition, but it basically just means you're in the business, right? Whether you're making it, selling it, developing it, designing it, like I said, probably work too much, you're too tired, you've been to too many countries, you've been to too many leather tanneries or mesh factories. Um, I'm not sure being tired is a prerequisite for being a shoe dog, but it kind of is. But again, having traveled to a dozen, okay, half a dozen different countries making shoes and a dozen companies selling shoes, that's what a shoe dog is. Will you ever sort of cross the line? When do you know you've become a shoe dog? Yeah, tough question. I'm not sure when it happened. I know I am. And there's organizations of shoe dogs, of course. And anyways, yeah, that's what a shoe dog is. Again, hopefully you're more rested and but yeah, shoe dog is just like I said, anyone who's been there too much and done too much, I guess. But again, there you go. That's what a shoe dog is. I hope that helps. Maybe.